In today's video, I will walk you through how to create or add PayPal checkout button. To get started, log into your PayPal business account. If you do not already have one, head over to the PayPal website and create your account first. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page. From there, look for the Pay and Get Paid section. Under that section, select PayPal Checkout, then click Get Started. You will now see an option to set up pay links and buttons. Choose that option to continue. Next, select Payment button. This will take you to the section where you can begin setting up your checkout button. Now it is time to enter your product details. Start by typing the name of your product or service. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize. After that, enter the price and choose the currency you want to use. You can also add an item ID, such as an SKU or tracking number if needed. This step is optional, but it can help with inventory management. If necessary, you can also include shipping costs and tax rates before moving on. Next, head over to the customization section. This part is optional, but you can use it to adjust how the button works for your product. You can add variations like size or color, and you can also assign different prices to those variations if needed. PayPal also gives you options to track inventory and customize the button appearance and text, so it better matches your website. After that, move to the Checkout tab. Here, you can configure the checkout settings and choose what information you want to collect from customers. You can set options like collecting a shipping address or allowing customers to leave special instructions during checkout. Once you finish there, go to the Confirmation tab. In this section, you can add URLs that customers will be redirected to after they complete or cancel a payment. This helps direct them back to the correct pages on your website. When everything looks good, click the Build It or Create button option. PayPal will then generate the HTML code for both the Add to Cart button and the View Cart button. Copy the code for the Add to Cart button first. Then open the HTML editor on your website and paste the code where you want the button to appear. Repeat the same process for the View Cart button so customers can view the items they have added to their cart. Once that is done, your PayPal checkout button setup is complete. Thank you for watching.